This is a quick look at meat tenderizer, which comes in this nice looking box. It's one very solid, very polished piece of stainless steel meat tenderizer. Everything about it is very high quality. It has very smooth surfaces. You cannot unscrew it. It's one very solid piece of polished metal. One side has 24 little bumps and the other side is completely smooth. It's about 10 inches long. The handle piece is 4.5 inches long. Very good grip with this handle. It weighs 13.4 ounces or 380 grams, and that's a very good weight for the type of job you need this for. And overall I'm very happy with this. So this was a quick look at stainless steel meat tenderizer, and thank you very much for watching.